Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Then again 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Now 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, now in this question, first we have to solve parenthesis. Okay, so 10 minus 4. Now solve this parenthesis. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So is equal to, now here is multiplication and one subtraction. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 10 minus 4 multiply 6 is equal to 24. Now 10 minus 24 is equal to minus 14. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 14. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.